Namaste everyone. In this video we are going to model the pencil. The diagram of this you can see it's on the right. The third angle projections of the pencil have been given, and also we have a detailed view of this part which is having a lot of different details which being given over here. So the pencil after it's modeled should appear somewhat like this. So let's go ahead and do this. So again I'll have to select the working directory which is on desktop in the folder of my name. Click OK, choose a new file, open part. This is class _5c. So give a name to the part file and click OK. It already exists. Let's go ahead and give it B. Alright. So if the planes are not visible, just make sure they're visible from this setting over here. Now I'm going to take the top view and go for an extrude. I need to create this hexagonal surface. So reorient this by clicking on this button, and then lines should be on the circle like this. Click mid mouse button to come out of this and apply some equal constraints for these edges. I think that should be good enough. Right. So when you're done with this, you should have only one dimension left, and that dimension we have to give it for the length of one of the edges. So go for the dimension and choose this edge, mid mouse button. Now the edge length is 7.3. Make it 7.3. This, make it clear and click on fit. So this is the cross section that we wanted to make. Now click OK, and the extrude height we need is 165 plus 13. So 165 plus 13. This total height we need to create. Click OK. Click again the fit to screen. And this is how we can see our hexagonal surface has been created. Now from the top we need to subtract for a distance of 13. So choose this plane, go for revolve. We are going to do revolve cut. So make it normal to the view, and you can just expand. Click Control and mid mouse button to expand this. Take a line, start here, complete triangle, click axis, and let's see what are the dimensions. So we have the height 13, and then this diameter we have it as 8. Okay, so I guess we are good enough. So we just need to revolve it. Axis I have already placed. Click OK, and you can see that it is revolving. So we don't want to revolve it like this. We want this to be cut. So remove material you can choose, and you can see what we are getting is the shape that we want. Click OK. Now once again we need to create a revolve for the top part, this part. So let's go ahead for this plane once again, go for revolve, and once again make it normal. You can just expand by clicking Control and mid mouse button and choose line. So once again we have to place the axis. So we make this angle as 15. Just that's it.
पापा ये बना के देते.
Then click OK. Now we have to see the top point of this pencil. Colors and all will change later. Let's go ahead and create this text cut. CAD technologies, that's what is written over there. So I'll have to go for extrude cut. Choose cut option, choose this surface, click orient it normal like this, and now I need to insert the text. So here we have the text option. Okay, so the height that I have chosen, it was vertical. It's not supposed to be vertical, it's supposed to be horizontal. Let's go ahead and make this horizontal. So it's horizontal. If it's not covered, so let's delete it, create it once again. So this time I'm just going to create a line horizontal. Now I just need to enter the text. So the text is CAD knowledges. Okay, but it is to come from top to bottom. Okay, we have to rotate it. Space curve. We need to rotate it. Okay, so click OK. Then we'll select this, move it. We want to rotate it by 90 degrees. So once it is rotated, click OK. Now let's see what are the dimensions. So you can see here the height of the text here is given as 4. Fine. And we choose that. This is the height. This is supposed to be 4. And then we need to move it here. And the distance from this edge to here is 1.65. So take dimension, this to this, yeah, 1.65. And then we need to do height once again. That height is from the bottom. So from bottom, not this, yeah, we need the distance to the top plane. How are we going to get this? It's not allowing us to select this. Oh, this is not at all selected. Select table. Let's try our best. It's taking the bottom distance. We want the top distance. How are we going to do that? Okay, now I got it. So click OK, and this distance is going to be 1.0. Okay, now that the text is placed and all dimensions are fed, you can just click OK, and we need to choose how deeply it is to be cut. The depth of this is not clearly given. Let's go ahead and choose something small enough, 0.5 or something, and click OK. So you can see this has got created. If we choose the edged view, you can see, we'll be able to see the edges as well. So this is the thing created. Now the only thing left for us is to create this bottom part. So how do I create it? Let's go ahead and select this face, go for extrude. I'm just going to take a circle and the diameter of that has got to be 16. Let me extrude this by 1 mm. Click OK. I need another circle. Okay, so I'll go for extrude again. Select this surface, take one more circle. This time this middle one is slightly less than that, but how less? I think it's 1 mm less. Let's go ahead with 16 as the earlier one, minus 2. That should do. Extrude this by 1.35. 1.35. Click OK, and then we'll need it once again, so go ahead and select one more extrude. Select this and go ahead and circle. This time reorient it properly from this point over here. So click OK, and we want to extrude it by another 1 mm. And finally we have the rubber one, so let's select this face, go for another extrude, take circle. This has to be 12. Okay, and the okay height has to be from this side, that is 12. So we had to choose something like 12 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1.35. This is the height. So this has created our pencil. Now we need to apply some different colors which are shown over here. So first thing first, let us choose the entire pencil and apply the same color on it, and that color is going to be this. I think we already have that color placed over here. Next, let's choose this upper face alone, go for view, appearance, and apply a color which is black. So apply some color, doesn't matter which one, and then we are going to just go to edit model appearance. This color we are going to make it fully black. Click OK, and you can see the black color is applied. Next, over here we need some wooden texture, so let's go for this again. Select this surface, take another metal. This is actually white as of now. Once again go to edit appearance. This one we need a texture. Oh, it doesn't have any texture. Let's go for wood. It's rough. Texture image. Let's make it slightly dark. That should do. Okay, maple. Okay. Right, and then we need on this side we need slightly pinkish color for the rubber. So let's select this 3 surfaces, go back here, apply another color somewhat like this, then again go to edit appearance, change this color to slightly less pinkish. Yes. Okay. Click OK, and that's it. So here we have our pencil with everything that we were asked to create. Hope this video was useful. If you like this, just give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. Stay connected as a member to enjoy more of such videos.